Hello there. Today I show you my smoke photo effect, how to use it and custom it. Just show you. This is the preview. See the looking. It's a presentation. Another presentation. Okay, we have include some different type of smoke photo effect, and it's you can edit very easily and fastly and change everything. See the looking. This is another template, and this is another one. The looking fire concept, and this is the our booster shining, and another one is very easily set dancing and playing playing type of photo and portrait. See, you can change the colorful mode, use the colorful, and this is the soft default color setting, and another one, and this is very exclusive item. You do not find out this type of item in others marketplace. Is very and super editable and nicely edit. So I just show you how to use your photo in this effect. This is the template photo effect, and we have include everything and layer. Firstly, I show this effect, this one, smoke 35. We have the package there, the 5 file include, and this is the 35 and help file. You can read the help file and our supporting information. You can connect our supporting link there, mention it. We try to help very fast, and written how to use it. Okay, now I have a double click in PSD file smoke 35. Now this is the masking show. We just show the masking, how image is showing, and area. This is the default color look, and see there your photo replace here, this option, and there is the others. All layer are separate. So I just introducing everything and how to custom and how to make PNG transparent and very easily. So I just click this one, your photo replace here, double click, and there is show message. Okay, button click. Now show a new window, replace photo. You can replace photo there, this option. This is the extra just layer, nothing else. Now I want to open a photo. Okay, I like to open this photo this time. Okay, and need to PNG transparent. So how to make PNG transparent? Just go this tool, quick selection tool, and select subject button click, or you can use any other tool. Just remove your white background or any other background if your photo include. Focus point is needed PNG transparent. Then okay, click the max point. Now is make transparent. We want to move it in our photo replace option. Okay, now I have transform option use, and make it transform. You can use any scaling, but standard size, the guideline is show. See the guideline, just replace the guideline, then it's nicely show up. Okay, transform off, and I need to off this back photo replace color photo here, this option, masking option. I only view this one. Now I want to file and save button click. Now it's rendering in saving. Okay, it's saved. Now I back my main template. This is the looking, see, and if you can move it yourself, just move. Okay, and if you want to the small little, you can do this, and middle center, the two border middle center. File and save again. You can watch the new look. See, there is the another look now show. Now how to custom it and make PNG, just show you on the color option. See the extra color, check it. There is the extra color include. See, 10 color I have included, and I have used this one. And you can change this, double click anytime. You can change this color, and properties option show, and you can make the color change very fast using this tool. Just double click this one and view the layer. Just make sure view or not. I default setting this color, and there is another color option, not same color tone making. There is the maximum is the different type of. So see, there is the another shining color. This is the brightest type of color looking. So I just hide this one, and this is another color. This one is the only color look. Another color, another, and you can try every color yourself. Okay. See, this is the faded tone. I have included the faded tone. Okay. Now I do not change the color. I just show you. I like to my default one. And this is the another one, the fire color effect. See, this is the one kind of fire color effect. So you can see the color grading is greenish fire color looking, and another color looking. This is yellow color, darkish yellow color, and there is the another color, the lighting. Okay, and see. So I this time do not need any others. I need to flex one, this one, and introducing the others. There is the color setting. You can change anytime. See the black and white adjustment. You can double click this adjust and make the adjust if you think. But I think my default is perfect because I make the combine perfectly. This is the dispersion option. If you want, you can off this one. See my photo, I just biggest now. The dispersion shining looking. Select the marks if you want to sum of area. Don't like to any soft brush Photoshop. Sum of area do not like you cleaning your face photo. So you just brush area and is remove, and want to back it. Top color is white and brush again is back again. Just select the max point. Okay, and this is the top smoke option. So sometime if you want to make some critical or creative option, like shining is there going and hand down, so you need to select the marks option, and brush is small and brush there. Sorry, there is a need to top color black, if not the masking work. See, is top and hand back, and again is top in head font. Okay, and you can out of this. See, now it's back. So this is the dynamic shape looking. You can change very easily and combine very easily the in top section, and all are back. This is the photo looking back, shading, lighting. You can use this filter, and if you off this is the original photo, and there is the shining glow added. Okay, and there is the our main photo supporting option, so you can laze it for glowing, like the glowing and confusing, but sharpening is perfect. This is the black shade, and our black option. Back all art and all layer are separate there. See, the all layer are separate. You can move everything. How to move? Just find out your moving option, like this is the glow. Just view and uncheck the layer eye, then you can understand. Okay, this one, this shape I have select the transform now. Sorry, my group not selected. Okay, I use this one. The folder is layer only. Okay, and now sorry. Okay, this time. So I can move it very easily. See, the move, you can direction any of area and rotate very easily. See, so it's very cool. And you need to PNG. How to make PNG? Just uncheck this layer and the background color and this background color. Now the photo is the make png very easily. Go file and export, quick save, export as a png, then it's make the png very fast. Okay, I show you another one, another template. It's very fast. Which one? I think this one. Okay, this one, 34. The photo is left side, right side. You first make this and you can rotate yourself if you want. See the shining looking, and double click your photo replace connection, and this is the guideline. You just paste your photo guideline option, and I want to replace like this photo this time, or this photo. Okay, quick selection tool and select subject button and make the marks and transparent, but composition are not same, so I can match the composition. This is the left right motion style photo, but I use the another type of photo, because of if you use the another shape your photo, how to solve it and how to make solution. So that's why I just use different type of photo now. But I recommend you can use our this masking type of photo, then its result can be nice. So I hide this one now, and I use this one, but I need to make and just rotate the image and go and save. How to rotate? Just transform and the horizontal adjust. Okay, I have save and facing the problem. Okay, see the looking, and replacement is nice. If you think you just maintenance the guide. So, and there is the top position is glow showing. If you do not like the glow in face point, you can out this. So first time you can find out the position, the shape position. This one top motion is this, and you can check out this motion. Go max point and brush tool. You can brush your face area, then it's show, and everything is nice. Do not need change anything, and motion is perfectly the lighting, and there is the extra color option. You can check it, see the color looking, and you can use yourself your color combination, that is totally depend of you. Okay, see the looking, but I like this color combined. This is the smoky shining looking, and there is the color fire style color. See, you can adjust everything yourself, and another dark looking fire color. So now make png needed, just uncheck the option background and save the photo, export and quick png. Now I close it and show you another one, the another photo. Now I can this type of photo. Okay, like this for 39. Double click and it's open. See the middle center position, so double click this position, smart object there, and this option, and it's open a new window, and you can open a photo. Quick selection tool and select subject button. Okay, I just move my photo replacement option. If you want use this type of, you can use, but there is the guideline. If you maintain the guideline, then looking is perfectly nice. Okay, I just replace the guideline and hide my marks point, and then now I want to save. It's working this time. I want to show something. uh, there is the part, we release part by part, some of effect upcoming. And visit our shop MRI Studio Creative Market and our own shop. You can purchase our own shop directly and get support very fast and everything, more facility. And there is the 80% discount going on. Our all product is there, and you can purchase low price there very easily, and flash sale going on. And you can download free file there, free file option and bundle option. See, our maximum new file are there, and these all file are not available in others marketplace, only for photoshopaction.net, and it's the lowest price now. Okay, I go my back, and it's saving now. Checkout option, say the looking this option, and this is the color. If you don't like this color, you can just little hide. This is the standard classic color, and there is motion top. If you want to the motion edit, you can go this option and find out the layer separation. This is the back fogging, and this is the middle, and this is the top option, this one. So if you don't like the face area, you can remove the face area very easily. It's very editable, and everything you can change and combine yourself. I don't like this color option, but I just set up it for variation purpose. I like this option. If you want your color, double click this option, and the color you can replace any color. Soft color I have used now, and blue not needed. I need to any others color. See, they are looking now. This is another looking, and OK button click, and OK. See, the color is another show, but I hide this one, and the extra color show there. Check out this, and double click this layer is viewed. That means this showing color is this one. Do not use more and more than you do not understand which one you use. You can combine it and see the which look is good. Okay, I uncheck everything. Okay, and change the color. See, very easily, very fast, and dark mode color. Okay, and adjustment, and another color, shining color. See, another, and another. This one is the another soft color combined, nice color combined. Another one. Okay, if you use this one and use there on and another one, so there is no new combine show. But I like to this one, this default color combined in the back color. See there, and you can use this and double click. You can change the background color, not photo color, only background color very easily. See it, the color is changing now. Extra smoke show there. You can the separate layer, you can combine. Don't like it. This is the fog looking. You can uncheck, and need to transparent, just hide this the background layer, then it's hide it. Okay, and thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, we can send a message our profile MRI Studio, and directly purchase our own product photoshopaction.net, and you can email me my mention now email in help file, and WhatsApp me for fast reply. And we request to visit our site and download free file and premium file in lowest price. This discount is limited time only. Subscribe this channel for more update free file news upcoming.